How to set timer on Insta360 X5. So on your Insta360 X5 device, scroll down to your control panel. Swipe towards the left-hand side. Then you'll see timed capture. Tap on it. Now turn on the toggle for timed capture. Now you can see the start time over here. You can simply tap on start time and set the time accordingly. Then you can also set the duration as well. You can choose any of the options according to your preferences. Then if you go back, you can choose any of the options you wish to modify. Then just go back. Now you can see that the timed capture has been set. So now the video will be recorded within the specified time you have set. You will also be able to see a timer icon on top when the timer has been set on your device. Then you can simply start recording on the specified time. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.